Good morning. Seeing the board, you all can understand what we are going to do today. It's maths time. நம்ம இப்போ maths பார்க்க போறோம். Mathsல what were we seeing till now? என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் நம்ம? We are learning numbers. Very good. So நம்ம 11 ல இருந்து பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? Shall we go ahead and have a look? Shall we go ahead and revise in the decimal system static part, bead material and card material? Shall we go ahead and revise once? Okay, come. So we are going to start with the activity today. As you all know, as you all remember, we are going to work on this. We are going to work on this decimal mat. Here we are going to place the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Today we are going to work with ones and tens. Now we'll start. I'm going to arrange the ones using the bead of ones. Shall we start? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you tell me what comes after 9? 10. That's awesome. For 10, I'm going to take the bar of 10. 9, 10. So we'll now make the number after 10. What comes after 10? 11. Very good. Now shall we go ahead and make the numbers? Come, let's get started. Before making number 10, I'm going to put back the ones. Okay, one by one. So, after 9 comes 10. You all know this is the bar of 10. Now we are going to make what comes after 10? 11. Good. So now, what makes 11? 10 and 1 makes 11. 10 and 1 makes 11. Shall we check it? 10, 11. Okay. What comes after 11? 12. 10 and 2 makes 12. 10, 11, 12. After 12 comes 13. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. After 13 comes 14. 10 and 4 makes 14. Shall we check it? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14 comes 15. 10 and 5 makes 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. What comes after 15? 16. 10 and 6 makes 16. Shall we check it? 10. Tell along. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10 and 6 makes 16. Now the next number, 17. 10 and 7 makes 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, what is the next number? 18. Good. 10 and 8 makes 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. What comes after? 19. 10 and 9 makes 19. Shall we check it? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10 and 9 makes 19. Now you tell me what comes after 19. What comes after 19? 20. Very good. So 20 comes after 19. What makes 20? 2 tens make 20. I have 1 10 here. I need another bar of 10 to make it 20. So 2 tens make 20. Now we don't require ones here. So I'm going to put it back. After 19 comes 20. 2 tens make 20. Now having seen the bead material, we'll go ahead and check it in the card material. Now we're going to work on the card material. Hope you all remember the card material. Okay, what is this? 1. Very good. What is this? Number 2. Very good. This is 3. 4. 5. Very good. 6. 7. This is 8, correct. 9, very good. Now what comes after 9? 10, that's the right answer. After 9, you have 10, very good. This is 10. Are you all able to see 10 has 1 0 in it? Yes? Okay. Now we'll go to the next number. What makes 11? 10 and 1 makes 11. What comes after 11? 12. 10 and 2 makes 12. After 12, 13. 10 and 3 makes 13. After 13 you have 14. 10 and 4 makes 14. After 14 you have 15. 10 and 5 makes 15. Then what you have? After 15 the number is 16. 10 and 6 makes 16. Okay, what comes after 16? Very good, 17. It's 17. 10 and 7 makes 17. Okay. After 17 you have 18. 10 and 8 makes 18. Okay. What is the next number? I'm sorry. What is the next number? 19. 10 and 9 makes 19. Now tell me, what comes after 19? 20. Very good. So, here it is. 2 tens make 20. 2 tens make 20. See here, for 10 also you have 1 0. 20 also you have 1 0. 2 tens make 20. So now we do not need this card now, so I'm going to place it back, put it back. We are going to now see this 20. 2 tens make 20. Now we are going to move further. What comes after 20? 21. Okay? 21 comes after 20. Let's make 21 using the bead material. Okay? As I told you clearly, 2 tens make 20. We now require 2 bar of tens. So what is this? This is 20 now. Okay? Okay, now we are going to make 21. 20 and 1 makes 21. This is 20. You have 2 bar of tens, right? 21, 21, 20, 21. Now we'll make the number in the card material. See, 21. 20 and 1 makes 21. Clear? Okay, we'll move on to the next number. After 21 comes 22. 20 and 2 makes 22. You need 2 ones. Okay? 2 bead of ones. 20, 21, 22. So 20 and 2 makes 22. In the card material you have 20. So 20 and 2 makes 22. Are you all able to see clearly? Clear therida? 20 and 2 makes 22. We'll move on to the next number. After 22 comes 23. 23. We already have 2 bar of tens, which makes 20, right? 2 tens makes 20. So 20 and 3 makes 23. 20, 21, 22, 23. 20 and 3 makes 23. We'll make it in the card. 20 and 3 makes 23. Clear? We'll go through once again. 20 and 1 makes 21. 20, 21. 20 and 1 makes 21. After 21 you have 22. 20 and 2 makes 22. 20, 21, 22. 20 and 2 makes 22. We'll move on to the next number. After 22 comes 23. 20 and 3 makes 23. 20, 21, 22, 23. So in the card materials, 20 and 3 makes 23. Now we'll try to make 21, 22 and 23 on board. Okay? Okay. So these are the bar of tens. 2 tens make 20. Very good. 2 tens make 20. Now we are going to make 21. 20 and 1 makes 21. So you will need a bead of 1. 20 and 1 makes 21. Clear? Are you all clear, Tarida? 20 and 1 makes 21. Now we'll move on to the next number. After 21 you have 22. Bar of tens. 2 tens make 20. We need to make 22. So we need 2 ones. 1, 2. 20, 21, 22. So 20 and 2 makes 22. 20 and 2 makes 22. After 22 comes 23. Are you all able to see here? Okay. So these are bar of tens. 2 tens make 20. 20. 20 and 3 makes 23. 1, 2, 3. 20 and 3 makes 23. This is bar of 10. There is another bar of 10. 2 tens make 20. 21, 22, 23. 23. Now we are going to work on our workbook and the homework notebook. See, we are going to work today from page number 16 to 18. Are you all able to see it clearly? And for the homework, you will go to the page that has the date 8/10/2020. Open your Max worksheet workbook and go to page number 16. Once you go to the page number, you will have yummy ice creams here. Wow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the number of ice creams here. Shall we go ahead and do it? For that we require a pencil and we need to cut as we count. Shall we begin? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There are 21 ice creams. So write 21 here. Also trace 21. Don't forget to write 21 all by yourself here. Okay. We'll move on to the next page. Go to page number 17 and you'll see number of mice here. We are going to now count the mice. Shall we count? Okay. Come. You count along. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there are 22 mice here. You will write 22 here. Then come down. Trace 22. Trace number 22 here. And don't forget to write 22 all by yourself. Go to page number 18. And are you able to see lines here? We'll count. We'll count them now. Okay? Count along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So there are 23 lines. So you will write 23 here. You also have the space for tracing 23. Also don't forget to write here. Open your homework notebook tomorrow. See the page that has the date 8/10/2020. And you have to write what we did now on the board. You'll be doing it on the class on this homework notebook. Also you will write 21. 21. Don't forget to draw the beads here. The bead that required to make 21. Adhe mari 22 and 23 எழுதிடுங்க. Don't forget to draw the beads required for making 22 and 23. So it gives me so much fun to work with this bead material and card material. I want you also to work it. Okay, try making this material using making the numbers using the materials, okay, that your parent has made for you. So don't forget to count the numbers properly while writing them and while also telling it out. Okay, I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.